The vulture was designed with 15 interactive components and 7 procedures that can be performed on it. When students work with vultures the first time, it's very dangerous and they do not realize how big these birds are. So I've designed this model so that they can see the wingspan, that's almost 2 meters long, and they're quite heavy. So the idea with this model was that the students learn how to hold it, how to extend the wing to collect blood. And on this model, blood can be drawn from the vein. They can feel all the bones in the wing. On the keel muscle, they can feel and see the muscle. They can do injections here. They can do subcut injections to give fluid. They can collect blood on this vein. They can do feeding tubes so that they know what side the feeding tube must be placed. So we have designed this model so that the students know how to hold the birds for blood collections or any treatments. When collecting blood, this is how you hold your vulture so that the blood can be drawn from the wing artery. If you need a model of a specific species or procedure, you are welcome to contact us.